How to cancel the Nitro subscription in Discord. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel the Nitro subscription on the Discord. Open a Discord application, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Discord. Now tap on your profile, which is on the down right side, tap on the very, so you can see here is the Nitro option. You can get the Nitro by just tapping on here, but if you want to delete the subscription, just tap on the setting option, go to the very subscription option. From here, scroll very slowly and tap on the subscription option. Also you can search for that. So after you get since I've not subscribed to any of it, I won't get the subscription option, but if you have subscribed, then you will get the subscription option right there. And when you tap on the subscription option, you will see the Discord Nitro as well. Now just tap on unsubscribe and follow all the steps and tap on OK option, so you can simply just unsubscribe and resubscribe whenever you want to. But if you want to unsubscribe it, just tap on unsubscribe and cancel option, and that's all you should do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.